Yo, what's up guys? So good morning. So today I will run 3 kilometers for this run. So join me for this run. Don't forget the hashtag run for your life. So currently alas 8 na ng umaga. Pero sana kayanin natin tong 3K HIIT training natin. Let's go! Average of 7 minutes. 1K. 2K guys. Last 1 kilometer. Let's go for 3K. Run for your life. So guys, that's our 3K run. I reached 3K today. So pero medyo nahirapan ulit ako kasi 3 days na naman tayong natenga na hindi nakakatakbo kasi medyo busy tayo. I hope I'm the one that will encourage to you to start your fitness journey. So let's go. Don't forget the hashtag run for your life.